Once upon a time in a bright green meadow, there lived a little bunny named Benny. Benny had soft, fluffy fur and big, curious eyes. He loved hopping around the meadow, playing with his friends and exploring nature. Benny's best friend was Lily, a wise old turtle. Every day they sat under the big oak tree and talked about the wonders of the meadow. One sunny morning, Benny noticed something strange. "Lily," he said, tilting his ears, "why do the flowers look so sad?" Lily looked around and sighed. "Oh, Benny, the flowers need water, sunshine, and clean air to grow. But sometimes the weather changes and people forget to take care of the earth. That makes the flowers sad." Benny's eyes sparkled with curiosity. "What can we do to help the flowers?" Lily smiled gently. "We can start by taking care of our meadow. If we all work together, the flowers will be happy again." Benny hopped up and down. "Yes, let's help the flowers." That day at school, Benny and his friends learned about the environment. Their teacher, Miss Willow, showed them pictures of clean meadows and dirty ones. "When we don't take care of the earth," Miss Willow said, "it gets very sad. But when we help, it becomes happy and beautiful." Benny raised his paw. "What can we do to help?" Miss Willow clapped her hands. "We can plant flowers, pick up trash, save water, and recycle. Every little bit helps." Benny felt brave. He wanted to help. He turned to Lily and said, "Let's plant flowers in our meadow." Lily nodded. "That's a great idea. We can invite all our friends." Benny and Lily hopped around the meadow, gathering their friends. "Let's make our meadow the happiest place," Benny cheered. Together they dug little holes in the ground, planted seeds, and watered them. Splash, splash, went the water. "Grow, grow," cheered Benny. They also picked up bits of paper, plastic, and cans from the meadow. "This will help our home," said Tommy while Mia sang a happy song. "Clean the meadow, make it bright, keep it safe day and night." Days passed and soon bright flowers began to bloom. The meadow looked so pretty. Benny, Lily, Tommy, and Mia danced around their garden happy and excited. "Look, Benny," Lily said. "The flowers are smiling." Benny hopped up and down. "They're so beautiful. We did a great job." Miss Willow visited the meadow. She looked proud. "This is wonderful. You all helped the flowers and made your meadow a better place." Benny beamed with joy. "We can help even more. We can tell others to take care of the earth too." Miss Willow nodded. "Yes, you can be little earth heroes." From that day on, Benny and his friends kept planting flowers, picking up trash, and saving water. They shared their story with others, and soon more animals joined in. Benny said, "Together we can make our world happy." And so the little bunny and his friends kept their meadow bright and blooming. They taught everyone that taking care of nature is a big adventure. Benny learned that even the smallest bunny can make a big difference. Quiz: did you understand the story? What did Benny want to help? The flowers, the trees, the sky, the grass. Correct answers. The flowers. Who is Benny's best friend? Tommy the squirrel, Mia the bird, Lily the turtle, Miss Willow. Correct answers. Lily the turtle. What did they plant in the garden? Trees, flowers, fruits, vegetables. Correct answers. Flowers. Who taught the animals how to help the earth? Benny, Miss Willow, Lily. Tommy. Correct answers. Miss Willow. Glossary. Meadow. A field of grass and wildflowers where animals can play and live. Fluffy. Soft and light, like a cloud or a cotton ball. Environment. The natural world around us, including plants, animals, and weather. Bloom. To grow and produce flowers. Cheerful. Happy and full of joy. Adventure. An exciting or unusual experience.